If you are facing fogging problem on your motorcycle visor, here is a perfect product to help you out. This is a universal anti-fog visor insert. It can solve your helmet visor's foggy problem permanently, and it can be installed on the inside of a motorcycle visor easily. Most helmet visors have poor or even no anti-fog coating, and then your visors will be fogging easily. Some visors have a pin lock system, but they are too expensive and only fit for specific models. So, most riders are suffering poor visibility in cold or humid weather. That's so dangerous and uncomfortable. Many clients asked if we can solve their foggy problem. So we spent a few years to develop and test a universal anti-fog visor insert. Here it is. It has awesome anti-fog performance and very cost-effective. It can be installed easily on most helmet visors in the market, and you can custom the shape with a certain volume. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this universal anti-fog visor insert, and I will compare the anti-fog performance between general visor and the visor with the WeePro insert. Here are the installation steps. Step 1. Wash your hands. Find a clean table. Step 2. Open the packaging of WeePro anti-fog visor insert. You will get one insert, one piece soft fabric, and an instruction cartoon paper. Step 3. Clean up your helmet visor with the soft fabric. Step 4. Remove the positioning mask with a red tag. Step 5. Install the positioning mask on the outside of your visor. You can adjust the position freely until it is on a comfortable position. The cross should be in the middle of the visor. Step 6. Press the insert with your two hands to fit the visor. Match the insert's middle cross with the cross on the positioning mask. Step 7. Use one hand to fix the visor. Use another hand's finger with fabric to press around to seal the visor insert neatly. Step 8. Tear off the mask with the blue tag. Step 9. Tear off the outside positioning mask with the red tag. That's it. Now, I would like to compare the anti-fog performance with and without WeePro anti-fog visor insert. This is a general motorcycle visor with no anti-fog coating. When I put it above the hot water, let's see what happens. It will fog up within a few seconds. This is a motorcycle visor with WeePro anti-fog visor insert. Let me put it above the hot water as well. "30 seconds later, 60 seconds later, 120 seconds later. You can see the area covered by anti-fog visor insert is still absolutely clear, but the area uncovered fog up seriously. You can barely see anything.